smoking the ganja, and I don't really want to stop it when I do. I really don't know what's going down. I just want some wheeling tired of my night. I don't know what's happening inside of this world because they don't know what's going on. I don't know why everyone is too high. Everyone is too high, and that is not a problem with me. I no. I like to be so high. I don't know what is happening to me anymore. I just put everything inside my soul. I'm just going inside of this world. I don't know why it's just happening now. I think that we don't know what is just happening inside of this hell. I don't know why devil just set me down. I don't know what's happening to me right now. Maybe I'm the son of the devil, but I don't really know what's going on inside of my world. But I don't know, this is not my world. But I don't want to go inside of this coast. I don't see the world inside is hiding right when I'm the most. I pray up to the most high to keep me always higher than I can supply me with words I can breathe. Yes, I need to breathe. So Mary J, cause Mary J is kind of good for my brain. And I don't know what is happening with them people sitting around my world and they're just talking strange. But I don't know, I don't understand. Without a joint in my hand, everything inside this world do not make sense to me unless I'm high and then I fucking understand history. And I just try to make the fucking future inside of my past. I think everyone is going to die and then they just go inside of the afterlife and they gonna meet the Christ. I don't know why I am still here. I don't know why I think the devil just let me here. I don't know what's going on with me. I think I'm abandoned. I don't know why I did so wrong. I don't know what I fell down in lightning storm. I fell down after I was born. I just came right down. I swear to God, it's not me. The lightning beam fell down. Velocity, electricity. I don't know why. Everything happens for a reason. I saw a lightning beam and I fell down. I landing on my foot like a fucking cat. No one can stop me. I know. I'm immortal. And I know. Put me down, but I'm always gonna go back up now. I don't know, but I just keep in my straight. I keep in my strength. I'm talking to oranges. I'm joking. I'm just knowing that the fruit is there. Fruit punch. I don't see no lightning storm. Electricity on every city. Just looking what is happening to me. I don't know what is happening. I just smoking on my weed, I know everything is like robot. I know ever does smoke in my pot. Inside of the vaporizer, I got fucking robot power. Electricity. Whoa, electricity.